Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin. I am so excited that you're here with me today because I am going to show you 11 handmade cards that are just beautiful using different die cutting techniques. And all of these cards have full-length videos, tutorials in my brand new class, Unique Die Cutting Mini Class. So it's a mini class and I'm going to teach you how to do some really fun die cutting things. So let's get busy showing you the cards. So we have these two here and they are just so super cute. And then for this one, because it's a black base, we added this layer here. So there's two. And then we've got these two where we have done some really unique die cutting stuff to make these come to life. And I just absolutely love how these turn out. This is like double die cutting and we'll talk about that in the class. And then we have, I'm saving the best for last. I just have to save it for last. We have this fun die cutting technique called floating or separated die cutting. And there's several ideas here using fun die cutting techniques that we will talk about in the class. And then we have off the edge die cutting. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I give tutorials on both of these in the class. And then we have this really fancy card where we have made even a light up element, and I'll teach you how to do that in the class. And this uses partial die cutting. You can see the little characters here are partially die cut out and they're popped way up, so we'll talk about that. So those are the 11 cards that you will make in the Unique Mini Die Cutting class. It is a mini class because, well, originally I was only going to do 4 videos, but as you can see, there's 11 cards. So we are going to be making plenty of cards in that class where I'll go through all the details for you. Now, in addition to that, I want to say that class is $5 off through April 10th, I believe it is. So if you use the code EARLYBIRD5, you'll get $5 off the class. The class is $19, so you take that 5 off, you'll get it for 14 bucks. The link is below this video, and I can't wait to see you in the class. The class launches on March 31st at 10 a.m. So if you're watching this video on Saturday, March 30th, tomorrow you will get to see all of these beautiful cards and videos in the class. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for just a few minutes while I showed you these cards, and I will see you in the class with tons of videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.